honestly, you're not even going to like my answer here. I would even go the other direction, right? Say again that answering that you did on the answering.
Thank you for calling ABC Dental, where we specialize in creating beautiful smiles with dental implants in 24 hours or less. What can I get you information on?
It's a great day at ABC Dental. What can I get you information on? Okay, your job is to not have a mini sales pitch when you answer the phone. The more you preload the way you answer the phone, the more they think they're in a drive-through for, what's the chicken place where they're like, chicken, 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 what you... No, there was a different one. Cane's, right? With some, by the way, go through Cane's. You'll laugh your butt off. And don't try and come up with a rhyme back to them that ends with cluck, 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 because you're going to get yourself in a position where you might want to say some swear words. But they're like, chicken, 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 blah, what you picking, right? We're not a drive-through. We're improving somebody's smile. So what you want to do is smile at them over the phone. The easiest way to smile at them over the phone is, it's a great day at ABC Dental. What can I get you information on? Okay, if you truly are the best, okay, you don't need to put all of that stuff in the front end. Here's the other problem with that. We focus on getting smiles done in 24 hours. Don't ever throw that out ahead of time, because if that's a selling point and you can do it, great, save that for later, right? What was your biggest reason for calling us? Well, I needed it to be done fast. When you say done fast, can you give me a specific example? Yeah, next week. Just out of curiosity, why next week? My daughter's getting married. I'm going to be walking her down the aisle, and I want to feel good about myself, right? If I say the 24 hours, I glossed over that whole thing because they already know it's 24 hours. So I would say split test it, but what you want to do when you're answering the phone is you want to be positive, okay? If somebody is calling you, the best way to be positive, it might sound a little bit cheesy, is it's a great day at ABC Dental, and then what can I get you information on? They're going to say what they're calling about. You're going to be able to then get some more information, and then you're going to be able to say, what research have you done on us? And now you're going to be able to get their name by saying, hey, by the way, my name's Matt. What's your name? It's Bill Smithers, right? God, Bill, what's most important to you in this smile reconstruction? You're going to find, I know it's counterintuitive to our typical sales process, but the more we try and put this gobbledygook in the front end and mini sales pitches in the front end, nobody wants to hear it, right? They're just trying to get out what they want to unpack what they were saying. If you work in sales and you need to make twice as much money as you do right now to really enjoy your life, you've really only got 3 options. Option number 1, you can continue to work your butt off in the job you have right now, hoping for some sort of miracle to happen, where you start taking home double the money while doing things the exact same way you do them right now. That's pretty unlikely. Or option number 2, you can look for another job at a totally different company, hoping you're going to catch some sort of once-in-a-lifetime wave where sales just seem to flow your way. All right, again, highly unlikely, and we both know waves in sales, well, they don't last very long. Or option number 3, you can click the button here and get instant access to a simple, straightforward sales process that will help you take home twice as much money as you do right now while putting in far less effort than you do today. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. If you click the button, you're going to see how our interactive sales coaching portal and weekly live coaching sessions with me will help you double your income within 60 days. Easton University is more than an interactive sales coaching portal. It's more than being able to ask me questions in a live setting every single week. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the button. I will see you on the other side. Your life is about to get a lot better. Click through now.